So what are dreams in memories in Snapchat Plus? So yeah, when I just open up my Snapchat Plus today, I see this. Try dreams in memories. Create AI portraits with dreams. See yourself with your friend in just in a new ways with AI generated snaps called dreams. So then you can just create selfies, sharing images of your face, which allow us to provide you with new creative tools and products so you can take better and new types of snap featuring you, and then you can just create that. So yeah, let's just take it out. So I don't know how this is just like I'm lying on the sofa. Um, This is yeah, quite advanced. As you can see, it clearly identifies how you turn your head. You may add more photos to improve the quality of your AI selfies, and then you just select your gender, and then you just need to read this, and then yeah, then you just need to select a pack. And then you see here professional portraits with weather. So these are different types of filters of AI portraits you want to create. So for example, this, and then you will receive notification when your dreams are ready. So yeah, here you just can generate those. I don't know if you need to pay, so seems you don't need to pay, at least in this version. So um, that's just what it is at the moment. But yeah, there you have it. Um, and then it just takes some time. You'll receive notifications when your dreams are ready. So yeah, kind of cool. That's a new feature. I guess you need to be upgraded with Snapchat Plus to try it out. Your dreams will appear here when they are ready. So yeah. And then how to save a snap or story to memories. You can just create snap and then just tap download icon to save snap or save story. And there you have it. But yeah, that's how you generate dreams with AI in Snapchat Plus. Again, you need to be upgraded to Snapchat Plus to try it.